Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me again. Today I've got something a little bit different. Nothing that's really usable, but I'm going to show you how I made this. It's out of this oak burl that I've had for a while, and a piece of oak, and this is East Indian rosewood. I was going to make it out of all oak, but that didn't work out as usual. So I'll show you why I used that. I'm glad I did, because I think it turned out better than what it was going to anyway. So stick around and I'll show you how I did it, the difficulties that I tend to always have, and we'll get it done. That's pretty punky. I wasn't expecting that. Not for a wet wood. We'll make it work. Oh, that piece of wood's not going to work. There's pretty much nothing there. Try another one. Well, this one looks more promising already. It's not as punky and dry. It is a little wet, but we shall see how it turns out. Alright, so I had to fill in a crack here with some CA. So I sanded that back where I used my skew to get it smooth again. Put some more sand and sealer on it, sanded it with 2000 just to get rid of the ridges and the bumps. And now I'm going to go to, guess what? You got it. Axe. I also tried using the shavings, holding up against it to burnish it. Just see how much different that was than axe, because I've had good success with that before, but it just didn't do it. So axe it is. I like it. All right, for the cross piece, I'm going to use this piece of East Indian rosewood. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I've had this for 8 or 10 years. Last thing I made with it was either a duck or a goose call. Just been sitting around waiting for the right thing, and I believe this is the right thing to use it on. So I'm gonna get most of it round because it's such a short piece. I want to use the whole thing, so I'm gonna get most of it round and turn around and turn the rest of it between centers. Hopefully it'll work out. All right, so again, here it is. Like I said, that's East Indian rosewood, because you saw the oak didn't work out. Thinking about changing my channel name to Adapt and Overcome Woodworking, because it seems like I do that a lot these days. But I really like how this turned out. I think this turned out a whole lot better with the rosewood instead of another piece of oak. I think it would just been, it would just blended together too much. So I love the contrast of it. I think this may be my favorite so far. But anyway, I thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you hanging in there. It's a little bit quicker than some of them that I have done, which I try not to string it out too long, because I know everybody, you see so much, you just fast forward through a lot. So on that, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, I would appreciate it if you did. If you don't want to, I get it, but at least give me a like if you don't mind. Unless you didn't like it, and then give me a thumbs down, so that's okay too. But 2 minute comments, what you think about it. And hope you guys have a good week, a blessed week, and stay safe. See you next time.